Want this?
He'll teach you how to make this type of shake in easy and simple steps.
Let's start.
Get your clips ready. Add keyframes at the start and end. Zoom on the last keyframe. Go to the graph and choose linear and make the graph like this. Now go to transition. Select square blur. Now go to effects. Select halo blur. Adjust it like this. Duplicate it. Select shake. Adjust it like this. And you are done.